First, let's install the Source Map Explorer tool. Open your terminal and run npm install save dev Source Map Explorer. This command installs Source Map Explorer as a development dependency, so you can use it to analyze your production bundles without including it in the production build. Next, we're going to modify the Package.json file to include a new script for bundle analysis. Add the script analyze with the command Source Map Explorer followed by the path to your JavaScript bundle. Make sure to replace path to your bundle.js with the actual path to the bundle you want to analyze. Now make sure that source maps are generated along with our production bundle. Here, we've added a script to build with Webpack in production mode while enabling source map generation. Make sure your build config is set up to generate source maps. Configurations may vary depending on the build tools you're using. After building your bundle with the source maps, it's time to run our analysis. Simply execute npm run analyze from your terminal. This command will start the Source Map Explorer, producing a visualization of the size of the components within your bundle. It will illustrate how much space each piece of your code occupies, making it easier to spot any bloat or unexpected code in your bundle.